Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, I wanted to give you guys an update on my last video, the Washington Zero Down program, and a good idea of what's going on, what I'm seeing in the market in general right now. So first of all, I'm a loan officer in Oregon and Washington. Here's my license number and phone number if you want to get a hold of me. The Washington Zero Down program I told you guys about before, still holding those fantastic interest rates. And what's probably more important, the state of Washington has deemed appraisers, inspectors, and real estate agents as essential services. I just want to take a second to probably say something that'll get me in trouble. We work in a capitalist economy such that every person who has a job is performing an essential service. That's how it works. It's not up to you or me or any single person in authority to determine what is an essential service. If somebody's working and they're getting paid and people are willing to pay them, it's essential. If not, it's not. Anyways, so I did want to show you what the mortgage-backed security market was going. If you saw my video, one of my videos from last week, I talked about how the Fed was propping up the mortgage-backed security market, and they actually got the price down to a level that was so low it was killing mortgage companies for another reason. It was based on hedging. So they have listened to my industry and they have slowed down to a reasonable degree. So you're going to see hopefully the pricing get right back to about here. I have been signaled by my upper management that I am probably going to be broadly offering similar rates to what we had at the beginning of last month to most of my future refinance customers, but they just want me to wait a few minutes to lock. And purchases, I'm able to get them very close to that rate now. Anyways, just some stuff that's come up in the last week that I might not have talked about. Several other companies, especially brokerages, are having trouble funding loans, especially government loans. That's USDA, FHA, VA. And because of that, I've actually taken up 2 transactions as of last week as SAVA deals. One of them is actually going to do FHA zero down. They were going to put money down before, but they get a better rate at zero down. And another one is a USDA. But anyways, just one of the behind the scenes rules about Govy loans that has made it really hard for lenders to keep offering them is that there's a rule where if a client misses their first payment, the loan has to be sold back to the loan originator's company, and that would be a huge loss. A company could easily lose $100,000, $200,000 on a single loan should that happen. We are actually expecting regulators to give some kind of guidance to make that easier soon. And then also, as far as the mortgage-backed securities markets, the Govy loans trade separately as a separate note, and their pricing is not great at all because it's sort of like, hey, could I interest you in a less than prime mortgage loan today, sir? As far as buying the actual note for the loan, the answer for most people is going to be no. Not that plenty of those loans aren't great, but you're not allowed to particularly tease apart, who did a VA loan just because they're a veteran and it's a great financial benefit, not because they needed the lower credit score requirement or zero down requirement. Anyways, let me know if any of this was helpful or if you have any specific questions. I know this is a very strange time. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm definitely enjoying seeing a lot more comments now. So let me know what you'd like to see. And I am very open to redoing some of my earlier videos before I had this good audio equipment. Anyways, have an awesome day.